Once you replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts, you'll start having positive results. Yesterday is not ours to recover, but tomorrow is ours to win or lose. I think anything is possible if you have the right mindset and the will and desire to do it and put in the time. Every day brings new choices. Few things in the world are more powerful than a positive push, a smile, a world of optimism and hope, you can do it when things are tough. No matter what you're going through, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and it may seem hard to get to, but you can do it. Just keep working towards it, and you'll find the positive things in life. A strong and positive self-image is the best possible preparation for success. Live life to the fullest, and focus on the positive. Work hard, stay positive, get up early. It's the best part of the day.